Hey there, Warzone mobile enthusiasts! So you have just installed Warzone mobile on your iPhone and hit a snag with it getting stuck at downloading, huh? No worries, I've got you back. In this guide, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get you back into the action pronto. Let's not waste any time and jump straight into the solutions. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's make sure your internet is up and running smoothly. Open any browser on your iPhone. Try loading up a web page to see if it works fine. If not, toggle on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Now, see if the issue persists. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Solution 2. Try using a VPN. Using a VPN might just do the trick. I recommend trying out the 1.1.1.1 Faster Internet VPN. It's free and backed by Cloudflare. Feel free to use any other VPN apps you prefer. Connect to the VPN server and check if the problem resolves. Solution 3. Offload and reinstall the game. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Find COD Warzone and tap on it. Next, hit the Offload app button. Confirm by tapping Offload app. Now initiate the reinstall by tapping Reinstall app. Once it's done, check if the problem is sorted. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app once more. Then scroll down and locate General, then tap on it. Now find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Tap on Reset, then reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings. Your settings will be reset and Warzone Mobile shouldn't get stuck on downloading anymore. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions did the trick for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you in a jiffy. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming!